Productivity and Costs by Industry, Manufacturing and Mining Industries, 2022. For release 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thursday, April 27, 2023. Labor productivity declines were widespread among manufacturing industries in 2022, with decreases in 66 of the 86 four-digit NAICS manufacturing industries, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported today. Of the 51 industries in durable manufacturing, 37 had productivity decreases in 2022, led by a decline of 11.7% in the motor vehicle industry. Non-durable manufacturing also had widespread declines in 2022, with productivity falling in 29 of 35 industries, led by a 16.9% decline in the cut-and-sew apparel industry. Productivity fell in 3 of the 5 mining industries in 2022, with the greatest decrease occurring in the coal mining industry, minus 12.2%. See Chart 1. Increases in hours worked were widespread among manufacturing and mining industries in 2022. Hours worked rose in 79 of the 91 industries in 2022. 41 industries increased both output and hours worked in 2022. Within this set of industries, just over a third had rising labor productivity. Chart 1 shows the changes in output and hours worked for industries with the largest changes in productivity. In 4 of the 6 industries with the largest gains in productivity, hours worked fell while output increased. This occurred in seafood product preparation and packaging, which had the highest productivity growth, plus 3.7%. 3 of the 6 industries with the greatest productivity declines had growth of output, while all 6 industries recorded growth in hours worked greater than 10.0%. Labor productivity trends in 3-digit NAICS industries, 2022. Manufacturing. Labor productivity decreased in 19 of the 21 3-digit NAICS manufacturing industries in 2022. All 21 industries had growth in hours worked. See Chart 2. Output increased in 11 industries. 4 industries had increases of over 3.0% in both output and hours worked. The petroleum and coal products industry had the largest productivity gain, plus 3.3%. Apparel had the largest productivity decline, minus 15.2%. Mining. Labor productivity declined in 2 of the 3 3-digit NAICS mining industries in 2022. The productivity gain of 6.3% in support activities for mining was caused by output increasing 23.8%, while hours worked rose 16.5%. Increases in hours worked outpaced output growth in both oil and gas extraction and mining, except oil and gas. Trends in unit labor costs in 2022. Unit labor costs reflect the total labor costs required to produce a unit of output. Unit labor costs increase when hourly compensation growth exceeds productivity growth. Manufacturing. In manufacturing, unit labor costs increased in all 21 3-digit NAICS industries in 2022. See Chart 3. 10 industries had growth of unit labor costs greater than 10.0%. And each of these industries had declining labor productivity. Unit labor costs increased in 82 out of 86 4-digit NAICS manufacturing industries. Nearly every manufacturing industry recorded growth in labor compensation in 2022, with the only decline occurring in audio and video equipment. See Table 1. Mining. Unit labor costs increased in all 3 3-digit NAICS mining industries. The greatest growth in unit labor costs occurred in oil and gas extraction, plus 10.3%, which also had the largest drop in labor productivity in 2022, minus 6.9%. 2019 to 2022 trends. Productivity increased in half of the NAICS 4-digit manufacturing industries from 2019 to 2022. Over this period, 4 of the 5 NAICS 4-digit mining industries experienced productivity growth. Note that the percent changes referring to periods of more than 1 year in this section and the following section are compound annual growth rates. See Table 3. Manufacturing. The 2 industries with the greatest gains in productivity from 2019 to 2022 were audio and video equipment, plus 12.4% per year, and metalworking machinery, plus 9.6% per year. The largest productivity decline occurred in the iron and steel mills and ferroalloys industry, minus 7.7%. Output increased in just under half of the NAICS four-digit manufacturing industries from 2019 to 2022. Audio and video equipment manufacturing was the industry with the greatest output growth, plus 8.7% per year, while the largest decline occurred in the iron and steel mills and ferroalloys industry, minus 10.1%. Hours worked fell in 51 out of 86 NAICS four-digit manufacturing industries from 2019 to 2022. Apparel knitting mills recorded the largest drop in hours worked, minus 9.9% per year. However, 3 industries had growth in hours worked greater than 5.0% over this period. Other transportation equipment, plus 8.2%, beverages, plus 7.2%, and motor vehicles, plus 7.0%. Mining. In 2022, hours worked remained below pre-pandemic levels in all 5 of the NAICS four-digit mining industries. The largest decline in hours worked occurred in support activities for mining, which decreased by 7.9% per year from 2019 to 2022. Output decreased from 2019 to 2022 in 4 mining industries. The greatest drop in output occurred in coal mining, which fell by 6.6% per year. Only non-metallic mineral mining and quarrying returned to its pre-pandemic level of output with an average increase of 0.3% from 2019 to 2022. Long-term trends in labor productivity and unit labor costs. Chart 4 displays the number of four-digit NAICS manufacturing and mining industries with increases in productivity, output, and hours worked for selected time periods through 2022. Labor productivity. Over the entire 1987 to 2022 period, labor productivity rose in 82 of the 91 manufacturing and mining industries. Output rose in 50 industries while hours worked increased in only 19. See Table 2. In the 19 industries where hours worked increased, they rose at a slow pace, 0.7% per year on average. During the 2007 to 2019 period, productivity increased in 35 industries. Of these industries, only 5 had simultaneous growth in output as well as hours worked. Oil and gas extraction had the greatest average growth in output over this period, plus 7.1% per year. In the most recent 2019 to 2022 period, productivity increased in 47 industries. Hours worked grew in 33 industries, which is more than the other selected time periods. Other. Transportation had the highest average growth in hours worked from 2019 to 2022, plus 8.2%. Unit labor costs. From 1987 to 2022, unit labor costs increased in 81 of the 86 four-digit NAICS manufacturing industries and in all 5 mining industries. See Table 2. In both the 2007 to 2019 and 2019 to 2022 time periods, unit labor costs increased in 82 out of 86 manufacturing industries, but in just 3 of the 5 mining industries. From 2007 to 2019, unit labor costs rose the most in the resin, rubber, and artificial fibers industry. From 2019 to 2022, unit labor costs rose the most in the plywood and engineered wood products industry, plus 15.0% per year. The computer and peripheral equipment industry recorded the largest productivity gain, plus 12.4% per year, as well as the largest unit labor costs decline, minus 10.7%, during the 1987 to 2022 period. However, between 2019 and 2022, the audio and video equipment industry posted the greatest productivity growth, plus 12.4%, and the largest unit labor costs decline, minus 15.4%.